In this tutorial, we'll explore Adobe Premiere Pro's new AI-powered media intelligence and search feature and the updated search panel. This tool allows you to quickly locate clips using metadata, transcript content, or even visual elements within the footage. We'll begin by creating a new project, importing our footage, and enabling media analysis in the import settings. Once imported, Premiere Pro automatically analyzes the media in the background. You can monitor the progress in the top right corner of the interface. When the analysis is complete, open the search panel by clicking the magnifying glass icon. Search results are grouped into 3 categories: visuals, metadata, and text. From here, enter a search term that describes what you're looking for. Premiere Pro's AI goes beyond file names and metadata, analyzing the actual content of the clips to deliver more accurate results. Use the drop-down filters to refine your search to the type of result you need. Whether you're identifying objects in a scene, locating keywords in metadata, or finding spoken words in transcripts, the AI-driven search panel streamlines this process. With media intelligence and search, Premiere Pro 25 makes managing and editing footage faster, smarter, and more efficient.